All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to I Don't Want to Do This Anymore by X, and this is one of my favorite X songs, man. Every time I listen to it, it just hits different. Definitely a classic song by him, and arguably, maybe top 10, I'm not exactly sure. There's just so many songs that like are just amazing, but this is just one of them. Should definitely go listen to it. It's one of his older songs, but let's actually get into the shoes now. All right, so this is the box that the shoes come in. We have the Sean Witherspoon ASICS, and let me actually show you guys the tag. I got a 9.5 because I actually heard they run a little bit small, so that's why I got it. Got these off of GOAT, and it's obviously an Atmos collab as well, so it's kind of like a 3-in-1. So let me show you guys these. Spin it around. Just a regular brown box. Once you open it up, has a little thing. To be honest, I ain't reading all that. Just being honest. If you guys want to read it, there you go. But yeah, you got a bunch of extra, like, I don't know what these are called, but like it's basically like a Nike swoosh kind of, except it's not a swoosh. But yeah, I don't know too much about ASICS, to be 100% honest. This is like my first pair. There is like a bunch of dope colorways. I'm not even gonna cap. Oh yeah, this is the inside. Gel type 3. Pretty dope box, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of reminds me of the Off-White just because there's like a bunch of writing. It's kind of unique on the inside. Just a bunch of cool stuff, and the shoes actually come in wrapped like individually, which is kind of weird. I haven't really had that happen, but yeah, let me actually move all that to the back. And these are the shoes. All right, so just looking at them, they are fucking sick. In case you guys did not know, I'm actually gonna move the paper out the way. In case you guys did not know, this is actually supposed to represent Tokyo, which is where ASICS is really big over there. And the other shoe is supposed to represent Los Angeles, which is obviously where Sean is from. That's where his store is. That's where, like, you know, that's where basically everything all started for him. So this is like him paying homage to that. And obviously this is like the ASICS side. And just getting into it, you can see there is like a little patch. It's like I don't really know what that is, to be honest. And then there's another patch that I can't really see too well. I'm assuming it says ASICS. And then there's also extra laces. If I'm being honest, I do not like these. I'm not gonna put these on. I'm not sure if this is a personal or not. I'm just keeping it because I ended up selling the Yeezy Crocs, and I used that money to buy these. And I think this is a way better investment than the Yeezy Crocs because they have already dropped in value a good amount since the last time I sold them. So I'm really happy I was able to pick these up. And this is just like a doper shoe in my opinion, which the Yeezy Crocs, like, I'm never gonna wear like outside. These I actually might wear, and this might be an unpopular opinion. I like this, like the Tokyo side, way more than the Los Angeles side. And I don't know, maybe a good amount of people feel the same way, but I've mostly seen everybody like this one. And for me, I'm not really rocking with it. I don't know, like, I like this side so much more. So yeah, let me actually show you guys the materials. It's actually just all corduroy. And something I found interesting, I don't know if all ASICS are like this. There's like no tongue. It's just split down the middle. Again, I don't know if all ASICS are like that. I really never had another pair. And the bottom is actually really like soft and like squishy. This is definitely gonna, see, look, they're not even worn and they already have lines in it. So it's definitely gonna get a bunch of lines. Let me show you guys the bottom. I love this purple right there. Show you guys the other one. And I love that purple. This one's a little bit darker than the other one, but purple is one of my favorite colors. So of course I like it. You guys can also take off the swoosh. And obviously there's like a bunch of different, it's not a swoosh, bro. It's like, I don't know what to call it. Like, I'm gonna just call it a swoosh, even though it's not. Yeah, there's also a bunch of other ones. Here, let me open this up and I'll show you guys. Okay, so I opened it all up and there's a green little swoosh. Again, it's not a swoosh, but I don't really know what to call it, so that's what I'm gonna call it. A black one and a blue one, and I actually opened up the patches too. It's Atmos with the A is blue. And I'm assuming maybe this is like the Sean Witherspoon logo or the round 2 logo. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, those are all the little things. And let me actually show you guys the inside of the shoe. It just says ASICS with the little logo. And the other one is just ASICS Atmos. Oh, maybe that's the Atmos logo. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest. Yeah, let me show you guys this one. This is my favorite. Look at the lace tips. Little aglet, small detail, but man, it just makes the shoe so much better. Bro, this shoe is sick. Obviously has a little tag. You can see that little logo right there. Amazing. And I don't know why they released an all corduroy shoe in summer. Your feet are gonna be sweating, bro. And this right here, the sock liner, is really soft, but it's hot. Your foot is gonna be dying in these shoes. I'm not even gonna hold you, man. Like, you're gonna be sweating. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite shoe. I feel like if both of them were like this, I would like 100% keep them. That's why I'm kind of on the fence about it, just because this one is so different. And I don't know, I don't really wear these colors, like, because this one's really bright and this one's like more like toned down, like I guess the more wearable colorway. So that's why I'm like, I don't know, I might not keep these. Here, let me show you guys these, spin them around. There's a little logo. Oh yeah, this one is also, you can rip it off as well, in case you guys didn't know. Damn, I have like a little loose thread there. I don't know if you can see that. That kind of sucks. Let me see. Do these have the same aglets? Oh yeah, they do. Oh, these shoes are super sick, man. And unpopular opinion, I'm not even gonna hold you. These might be better than the Air Maxes. I know. Like, a lot of people are gonna be pissed on that statement, but these might be better than the Air Maxes. And I don't know, maybe I'm a little bit biased because I don't have the Air Maxes and I'm kind of salty that I don't when I could have picked them up for around $500, $400. But I don't know, man. These are just, they're just so much, they're cooler. I don't know, man. Like, I really don't know how to explain it. I like these so much. Again, I feel like the only reason they might not be better than the Air Maxes is because this colorway. Like, just because they're different. But I don't know, that makes them unique though. Like, that's the thing. And like the story behind it, like, I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think these are better? I did hear some people saying that these were way better than the Air Maxes. And if I'm being honest, right now, it's the Air Maxes at the top, these, and then the Adidas ones, which I might have a review on those coming soon. I'm not exactly sure. But if you do, check out my channel. It might be there. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think these are better than the Air Maxes? I'm personally not sure. I'll probably have to look at these more, look at the Air Maxes a little bit more. And in hand, if I'm being honest, the Air Maxes do look a little bit better. Just a little bit. Maybe it's because I saw them like brand new. The Air Maxes are also like kind of like a corduroy material and it's really fucking sick. But yeah, these are amazing though. Like, don't get me wrong. Just because I might not like these as much as the Air Maxes doesn't mean this isn't a fucking sick shoe. And one of the things I really like is this part right here. It's kind of like 3D. I don't know, man. It looks, that part I really like. It's also on this shoe too. Just a slightly different color. It just looks so fucking sick. In case you didn't know what it says Gel-Type 3, which is, I believe, is the model of the shoe. Not sure. Yeah, Gel-Type 3 OG. And yeah, let me actually show you guys these shoes on feet. All right, so this is how they look on feet, and man, they look so nice. I am definitely gonna keep these. And the only thing is, right here, if you tie it, I obviously didn't tie them, this actually closes. Same with this side. So in case you're wondering, you know, I'm just too lazy to tie it. That's why the laces are all like this. But yeah, these shoes are super nice. Obviously I kept the tag on them. Super clean, man. I still like the other side more, to be honest, like that Japan side. But man, these are incredible. Again, they're gonna get really hot, and I suggest going up half a size. Definitely, if you have wide feet, go up half a size. That's what I did, and they fit perfect. In case you're wondering, my toes are like right here, so like a tiny bit too big. But would you rather them be really snug or just like a little bit too big? It's up to you. Yeah, I'm really happy I went up half a size. Let me actually show you guys these while I walk around. Comfort wise, extremely comfortable. Like, really, really comfortable. And let me spin around for you. Man, just looking at these on feet, these might be better than the Air Maxes. I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think about that statement. I think these look super clean, man. Again, you could take that off. You could replace it with different colors, but I'm too lazy to do that. Let me move the tag. Man, these are super nice. Again, I wish they were both this color. That would make it just a little bit better for me, but super clean, super happy. Right now, these are going for around almost $500 at resale, which I don't know if that's worth it for you guys. For me, I paid it because I was able to trade something in for them, but I don't know, man. If I had to do $500 out of pocket, I don't really know if I would pick them up. These are gonna go up though. It may take a year, may take a year and a half, but look at the Air Maxes. It's just impossible for these not to go up. The only way they won't go up is if there's a restock, which I haven't heard any news of, so I don't think there's gonna be one. But yeah, that's the only way these will go down. And if they do go down, oh well, I'll probably buy another pair, to be honest. Yeah, these are super clean. Let me know what you guys think about them. Are you guys picking them up? Did you guys pick them up? Like, let me know in the comments. Do you guys think these are worth it? Do you guys think this is like the best Air Max, or not Air Max, the best Sean Wotherspoon sneaker? Just let me know. And if you guys watched the entire video, thank you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.